Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how you can change the cabin lighting, so you can choose a different colors of the backlight, for example on the instrument cluster, main screen, and even these lights around the vehicle. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taos made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this can be done through the main vehicle screen. So you want to press the menu button in the bottom right, then you want to select the vehicle. Then you want to press the settings in the bottom right, and you want to select ambient lighting. Now it's gonna be set to automatic, so if you click here and you select manual, now you can choose the color. So if we do, I don't know, yellow, it's all gonna be yellow. Now it's a daytime, so I can't really show you, but there's like a light down here. But I can show you here on the cluster. You see this change to yellow. If I select red, it's gonna be red. If I do blue, it's gonna be blue. So you can play with these settings to your liking. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.